Hi guys, good morning. So this is the voice of Matthew Solomon, the Creative MJ. I welcome you guys to another moment of tutorials with the Creative MJ. So in this particular video, I will be teaching you how to remove background from your images professionally, right? So how you can remove background from your images. So the first thing you will do right now is to download this particular app. The name of the application is Photoroom. Yes, that is the name of the application. As you can see, this is the interface of the application. So go to Google Play Store and download the application. Mind you, this particular application does not really work for all phones. If it's not working or compatible for your phone, then I believe you need to get another phone, right? So in this tutorial, I will be uploading my picture and you will see how this application will remove the background professionally. We are getting. So the first thing we do is to start here, click on this particular application. Let's click here. That is the first thing we have to do. Let's click here. Click on this start from pictures, from photos. So click there. So once you click there, it's going to take you to your gallery, right? So then I'm going to be uploading one of my picture so that you can see. I'll upload this one. So while we wait, now as you can see, it has removed the background for me, and as you can see, we are going to be having some different options. Here you see professional, product, imagery, that is imagery. So the first thing you can see here, you can see different layers of pictures, right? So what you are going to do is just to select one, right? So we have selected one, right, but we are still seeing background on it. So what you are going to do for me right now is to click on this layer. Click on layer. You see layer here, click on layer. So as you can see, we have person and we have what background. So what you do is to click on what background. Click on this eye icon here, this one in particular. Click on this one, this one. So as you can see, we have hide the background, right? The only thing that is showing now is the image of the person. So we have hide the background. Then click on done, right? Click on done. After clicking on done, then you can click on what export. Is going to save on your what gallery. So as you can see, we are done with that. Then click OK. So that is all. Then the next thing you do is to go over to your gallery and check this particular image. Go over to your gallery or to your file manager. So this is my file manager and this is the picture. As you can see, this is the picture. So we have removed the background of this picture professionally, and for you to confirm that you have removed this background, you can click on the details. Okay, file information. You can see that it is what PNG. Now PNG is a portable network graphics, right? And it means that an image that is what transparent, that doesn't have what a background, that is what PNG is. So we have successfully removed the background from that particular image. And I believe if you find this video helpful, why not comment on the comment section and also like and also share with your friends, and also among or subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye.